To sign up for Deriv affiliate program is very simple. You just can type in Deriv affiliate program into Google, and this link here you have to click the trading affiliate and IB program. You just click on this one. You see start earning as a Deriv partner today, and to register, you just click the join now button here or the sign up button here. And as far as you can see here, you can see how much people you can if you, for example, refer 50 total accumulated clients, you can earn about $4,250 income per month. And you can see here, get started easily. You just sign up, then you just get your referral link. It looks like this here, and then you can click here the copy, and after you share this on your social media, you will get earnings from those who sign up. So it's very simple, just straightforward. Just click the sign up button here, go through the process, get your email there, go through everything at once, and then after you sign up, you just can see web link, mobile links, and you just can click here this button to promote the links. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next guide.